How's it going, everyone? Boba back here at the review table, and today we are going to be doing a review of a affordable pair of headphones that I think are overlooked quite often. Now, I know the background looks a little bit different, and bear with me, everyone. I am currently getting my studio all set up, and this is probably the area you're going to see for the next 3 to 6 months until I get a better studio option here. But I will make a new video explaining that another time. Today, we are here to talk about the Astro A10 headphones. Now, you can currently purchase these headphones for around $50 USD, and I think they're a pretty decent pair of headphones for the money. So looking at the build quality here, what you get is a very sturdy built pair of headphones. You can pretty much twist them, bend them, throw them, whatever you want to do, they're probably gonna work. Astro put a lot of durability into these, and I was quite surprised at the price point because let's be honest, Astro's not known for making cheap headphones. They're just not. So these are pretty much just completely made of plastic and a plasticky style rubber. As far as comfort goes, I probably give these headphones around a 6 out of 10, mainly due to the fact that the ear cuffs on these headphones feel like they were designed for infants. They are very, very small. So if you have a big head with big ears, you are not gonna like the way these fit over your heads. Like, it's just, they fit on top of your ears and they can get quite uncomfortable. Now, as far as the microphone goes, they do give you a bendable and foldable microphone here, so you can kind of manipulate it any way that you want. Unfortunately, it is not a removable microphone, which I feel like Astro kind of dropped the ball on that a little bit, even though the price point is so low on these. These are compatible with PlayStation, Xbox, PS4, PS5, Xbox One. Pretty much anything, like I said, that has a 3.5mm jack is going to be compatible with these headphones. Now, I will say that these headphones are definitely more geared towards the console gamer, but that doesn't count these out as a decent pair of PC gaming headphones. Like I said, comfort-wise, 6 out of 10, not the greatest comfort. Build quality, I probably give it about an 8 out of 10 because these are a rugged pair of headphones. They do not fold in and out, so if you're looking for a pair of headphones that fold in and out, these are not going to be them. As far as the plush ear cuffs go, these are an open back plush ear cuff design. It's kind of like a microfiber style ear cuff, and they are reasonably comfortable when it's sitting over your ears, but like I said, they're not, if they don't completely encase your ear, these are not a comfortable pair of headphones. So like I said, if you have a big ears on you and a big head, these are not going to be the most comfortable long gaming headphones that you're going to want to wear, because like I said, they're just not going to be that comfortable over an extended period of time. So I just got done testing the microphone on these headphones, and hopefully it came through the camera. Like I said, Astro did not send a splitter with these, so all I had was the 3.5mm that came with it, and I had nothing that I could plug it into to be able to test the microphone. Now, I was able to test the sound on these headphones with a couple of games, and I will tell you guys that the sound on these headphones are actually quite good. They get a little bit muddy on certain games, but I will tell you that the sound is actually pretty solid. I was very surprised with the sound response on these headphones. Like, they just performed pretty well. Now, listening to casual music with some good bass, some hip hop, rock, they sounded phenomenal. And what I mean by phenomenal is for a gaming pair of headphones, they sounded pretty darn good, right? Like I said, they do get a little bit muddy in the mids and highs here and there. Depending on the sound, they can get a little bit distorted, but I will say that, you know, for a $50 pair of gaming headphones that are built this good, they sound pretty decent. Now, again, I don't know how the microphone sounds, so you guys will have to let me know what you think of the microphone in the comments. Because like I said, I had to just plug straight into my A6600 and turn up the record volume on it, and hopefully it picked it up okay. Now, as far as everything else goes, you know, I think these are a solid buy if you are on the market for a more affordable headphone that's geared more towards gaming and you want to be able to use it with a lot of your other systems. I think these are a really good pair of headphones. Now, again, these are only $50. They're built really durable, and I just think they're just an all-around good pair of headphones. And you know what? If you're sleeping on these, hey, you probably should check them out. Anyways, I'm Boba, guys, and I'll catch you guys next time.